Hello everyone. Good. So today is 27th of May 2020, which is basically number 9. If we count it like this, 2 plus 7 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9, which is number 9, which is Mars energy, which is prevalent today. Today is Wednesday. So let me start with a message for today. When I left India, I promised I'll never come back here. This is from ISKCON Temple's head. I was reluctant to do anything here, but still I thought, at least in Mahapura, let me have my. There is Vaishnav, so many resident in Mayapura, Vrindavan. I promise that I will never come back again here. That was my promise, but Krishna wanted. That's all right. I was quite disgusted. Still, I'm disgusted. So basically, it's not about our decisions that what will happen or what we want in our life. It's about Krishna conscious, means the highest self which wants us to do is important. So let's see what the highest self wants us to take a decision today. So with this, let's pray to Lord Krishna and your deity, and let's take out a card for today. So the first card, which is called anchor card or significator card for all of us who are watching this video, for me and for the whole universe who will watch this video later on YouTube or any other social platforms, or the person who will come for the personal reading, is Four of Air. Its air element is very prevalent. Why air? Like thoughts are very prevalent. Thoughts are something which you are thinking for the past or the future, because present is always your action. Your thoughts are either your past or your future. So basically it means time to rest, take a vacation. It could be if lockdown is open and you can travel somewhere, you want to go there, obviously taking care of the social distancing and the norms by respected Prime Minister of India and by Government of India. So time to rest and take vacation. Allow more time before making a decision, and meditation may provide the answer. If you want to know something, if you want to have answers related to any of your questions, then the easiest way is to have meditation done. Meditation is like, you could focus on your breath, or you can WhatsApp me. I have given my number on the description box. You can WhatsApp me and I can give you a small tip related to the earth meditation or different meditation techniques. Okay, am I looking nice? Different meditation techniques like earth meditation, where you need to take a deep breath, focus, and then do that from your throat chakra or from your Vishuddhi chakra. This will align your body with the earth rotation frequency, which is 7.83 hertz, and it would be a thoughtless process. Then take a decision. Okay, that's called the alpha level of brain, alpha frequency of the brain. So let's see how the significator or descriptive card or the anchor card takes out the descriptive card for all of us. So here we go. Okay, I got two cards. So let's see what the two cards means. The first card is Two of Priestess, the highest priestess, which is Archangel Haniel. It is listen to your intuition. Whenever you are meditating, or whenever you are taking rest, or want to go to meditation, or want to go for a vacation, listen to your intuition. Have patience. It's very important. Little bit of patience. Like Four of Air, like 27th of May, 4 days left. Little bit of patience before lockdown 4.0 gets over. And consider carefully what you want before you acting. It is very important that आपको क्या चाहिए. आप वो करने से पहले ये जान लें आपको वो क्यों चाहिए, कैसे चाहिए. All those planning and design that if I talk from IT or any kind of projects, we need to put in more effort in planning, learning, meditating, putting in efforts that what we want is before we acting, and why we want, how we want, that kind of stuff. Then Queen of Earth is like basically your earth money energy, which is asking you to be thoughtful, to be creative, to be warm, to be sensible for yourself and for others. Whenever there is some guidance which is coming, that is for you, not for the whole world. So make time for those around you, take sensible approach, then deal with the challenges in a kind and understanding manner. So that is the Queen of Earth, like takes the decision on many amicable terms. So let's talk about some obstructions or the obstacle for the whole process. So the obstacle, this one, Knight of Earth, how wonderful. Like it's related to money only. So you're thinking about money and not believing your intuition. You should. It's loyal, dedicated, honorable, kind, time to buckle down and get things done, honor your commitments, and a guardian angel. So you might be getting an information from a guardian angel. Always remember, it's not Arvind, it's my body. The information which is flowing to me is through some other channel, through some other sources. So I am a channel right now. So let's see what the guidance for all of you. So the guidance for everybody is 5 of fire. I told you it's about money and career you are thinking about. मेरे career में क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, और उससे conflicts भी आ रहे हैं. Lot of conflicts are coming in your life. I can see competing goals, bothersome details, conflict with others, fights happening at the home or business front, maybe with your partners, with your colleagues, with your teams. Do not do that, because it came with the guidance, so do not do that. So if you do that, if you follow the guidance, you just overcome the obstacles, think about your intuition and do not do what you are not supposed to do, then 6 of Earth, how wonderful. Then your money will be 6 times. Like you will have gifts of money, you will have time for yourself and your family, you will have efforts which are getting materialized into physical realm. New career opportunities might come. If you are looking for a job change, this is the time. Okay. Receiving a loan or paying off debts. If you have applied for a loan in bank, you will get that. Government will support you, banks will support you. You'll be able to pay off your debts. You'll be able to, do a lot of stuff for yourself and for your family. So this is what the reading for today, and I'll be delighted to hear the comments. I'll be delighted. Again, I will tell you about my workshop. And let me give the details here also in the comment section. So if it resonates with you, please do attend. So here we go. So it's numerology made easy, where I have kind of amalgamated different details. So if it resonates with you, please do try to attend. It will come up with free consultation. It will come up with lot of healing techniques and a lot of healing stuff. And I have formulated this workshop like based upon very last 20 years I'm doing in this field, basically learning and healing field. So based upon that, I have created this workshop. I would be delighted if you can try and attend that, at least first trial session. So with that, do you want to share? I always say sharing is caring. So do you want to share? Do you want to share the love? Do you want to share the care? It's not about sharing money. It's about sharing your life, your time, your efforts, your love, your compassion, your truth, and the real soul attributes. Do you want to share? Want to share? I know that. Come. With that, good morning and have a nice day. See you on different channels. Bye-bye.